We rarely think about what it takes to turn on a light, heat our water, and get on the internet in our homes. Is it just as easy as flipping a switch? As builders, we understand that the utilities get brought into the home by being connected to a complex grid that ensures the homeowner will have the most reliable power, gas, internet, and water. Most builders in Arizona are installing the utilities at the start of the home, allowing them to utilize the power to build the house and streamline the build schedule. Because the residential industry is growing, there is a necessity to educate new workers about early utility and increase communication between the trades. We're going to touch on the electrical panel, gas riser, and the proper ways to work around early utilities.
Simple lockout-tagout procedures can protect workers and others from coming into contact with electricity in an energized electrical panel. Therefore, builders must establish a lockout-tagout program consisting of written procedures, employee training, and periodic inspections. Immediately after the meter has been installed in an electrical panel, the lockout-tagout procedures must begin. All panel breakers will be left in the off position by the electrical provider. Turn on breakers and verify power to the construction outlet. Shut panel door and install lockout-tagout padlock and tag. Padlocks should be standardized, durable, highly visible, and recognizable. They are to be used only for this purpose and no others. Tags must be highly visible and acknowledge that an electrical hazard is present, who performed the lockout-tagout, and how to contact them. Complete lockout-tagout kits are available, or items can be purchased individually. Lockout-tagout stations like this one include padlocks, hasps, zip ties, and tags. Everything needed to properly lock out and tag an electrical panel.
Let's talk about early gas. A good indicator that lets you know you have a live gas riser is this protector. It stands between 2 to 3 feet tall. It has a sticker labeled Southwest Gas or 811 on the side with the contact information for damages or leaks. Another indicator that you have a live gas riser is this red tag which says natural gas. Also, this gas riser will have a pin lock, which only Southwest Gas or Southwest Gas contractors have a key to open. Gas risers will always be placed 3 feet off the panel. Anytime there is a window that opens or a vent, it will always be 3 feet radius. When working with early utilities, never push or pull on electric panels. When working with early gas, never remove gas riser protectors. Whenever digging or grading, always call 811 for marks. Always hand dig within 24 inches of 811 marks. Always remember, no marks, no dig. Let's take a look underground. The utilities are set by the standards of the utility companies. The minimum depth standards vary and are set to final grade. Changes in grade, erosion, or other activities will result in depth varying. This is why it is important to hand dig within 2 feet of all utilities. The power is at the bottom of the trench, followed by the communications, then the gas line.
When working around early utilities, it's important to make sure you're aware of what's energized. Don't push or remove gas riser protectors. If an electric panel is energized, it must be locked. If you need to dig or remove dirt, you must call 811. To maintain safety working around utilities, trades need to increase communication. Working together, we can make sure everyone stays safe.